Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HEPA shop vacs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling a messy garage, cleaning up after a home renovation, or dealing with fine dust, these vacuums are built to handle it all. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the WEN VC4710 10-amp 5-gallon portable HEPA wet dry shop vacuum and blower. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price tag fool you. This vacuum punches way above its weight class with its 10-amp motor and F9 HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's perfect for smaller jobs, like cleaning your car or dealing with fine dust particles in your home. The design is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. The carrying handle and onboard storage system ensure that all your accessories, including the dust hose and extension tubes, are always within reach. The 5-gallon tank offers adequate capacity for light to medium tasks, and the vacuum can also double as a blower, adding versatility to its functionality. However, the 5-foot hose length may feel a bit restrictive for larger workspaces. While the WEN VC4710 is not as powerful or feature-rich as the other models on this list, its affordability and versatility make it a great choice for casual users or those on a tight budget. It's ideal for light-duty cleaning tasks, but don't expect it to keep up with heavy construction debris. Pros include its lightweight design, dual functionality, and unbeatable price. The cons? Limited capacity and power compared to higher-end models. Taking the third spot on our list is the Vacmaster Pro 8-gallon certified HEPA filtration wet-dry vac. This model strikes a solid balance between price and performance, offering an 8-gallon capacity and a certified HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's an excellent choice for homeowners and professionals who need a reliable vacuum for medium to heavy-duty tasks. The Vacmaster Pro is built to last, with a crush-proof polypropylene tank and a powerful 2-stage industrial motor that delivers impressive suction. The 30-foot power cord and 10-foot crush-proof hose provide excellent reach, making it ideal for larger spaces like workshops and garages. However, at 19.4 pounds, it's not the lightest option, so portability could be a concern. This vacuum shines in its ability to handle both wet and dry messes effectively, and the onboard accessory storage keeps everything tidy. Pros include its powerful suction, large tank capacity, and certified HEPA system. On the downside, it's a bit bulky, and the noise level is slightly higher than some competitors. Overall, this is a great mid-range option for users who want high performance without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 2 is the DEWALT DWV010 HEPA dust extractor. This 8-gallon vacuum is designed for heavy-duty tasks, featuring a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 150 CFM of airflow. The standout feature here is the automatic filter cleaning system, which pulses every 30 seconds to maintain peak performance without manual intervention. The build quality is top-notch, with heavy-duty wheels and casters that make it easy to maneuver on job sites. The universal hose connector provides a secure and flexible attachment to various tools, while the HEPA filter ensures compliance with EPA regulations for lead-related renovations. The 15-foot anti-static hose gives you plenty of reach, making it ideal for both residential and professional use. This vacuum is perfect for contractors and serious DIYers who need a reliable, high-performance unit. The pros include its powerful motor, automatic filter cleaning, and compliance with EPA standards. The cons? It's on the heavier side at 22 pounds, and the price tag may be a stretch for some budgets. However, if you need professional-grade performance, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the BOSCH VAC090AH portable 9-gallon dust extractor. This premium option is the epitome of power and efficiency, featuring a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns, and an automatic filter cleaning system that activates every 15 seconds. With a maximum airflow of 150 CFM and a 97-inch water lift, this vacuum is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. The BOSCH VAC090AH is built for professionals, with a durable and ergonomic design that includes a fleece filter bag for optimal dust containment. The 9-gallon capacity is perfect for large-scale projects, and the power broker dial allows you to adjust suction force based on your application. The noise level is surprisingly low at only 60 dB, making it one of the quietest vacuums in its class. While it comes with a premium price tag, the BOSCH VAC090AH delivers exceptional performance and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for contractors and serious DIYers. Pros include its powerful suction, advanced filter cleaning system, and quiet operation. The only real downside is the high cost, but if performance is your top priority, this vacuum is second to none. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.